Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to look through all the keys in a dictionary. The keys method is useful when we don't need to work with all of the values in a dictionary. Let's look through our programming dictionary and print the names of everyone uh, who selected their favorite programming languages. So we are going to use a for loop for name in programming, and we are going to call keys method, get the keys back and print each key, name dot. Let's run our code, and here is our output. So let's go back. Our for loop tells Python to pull all the keys from the dictionary programming and assign them one at a time to our variable name. So our output shows the names. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.